In this lesson, we will see together the negative pronouns, but more precisely, we will see ne, jamais. So the first thing that we need to define is the negative pronouns. So these pronouns indicate the absence of something. These negative pronouns are typically used with ne in a similar way to ne pas. So remember, this is the negative form, ne pas. So it means that instead of pas, we will use the negative pronouns. So we will have ne and then your negative pronoun here. So this lesson is about ne, jamais. The negative pronoun ne jamais can be translated into English as never. So we will see some examples with ne jamais. Je ne mange jamais de fast food. Je ne mange jamais de fast food. Il ne part jamais en vacances. Il ne part jamais en vacances. Elle ne rate jamais une occasion de rire. Elle ne rate jamais une occasion de rire. Nous ne faisons jamais d'erreur. Nous ne faisons jamais d'erreur.